Hi friends, I am Dr. Vaidya. I am the Medical Director of Horizon Prime Hospital, and I am glad to inform you that Horizon Prime was selected as the first hospital to lead the fight against COVID, and still today, after 4 months, we are the leading frontline hospital against the fight on COVID. I would like to brief you on how we conduct the war against COVID. Basically, when the patient comes to the casualty, we screen them, we risk stratify them. We do testing such as pulse oximetry, vitals, etc. We do a clinical evaluation, and this is followed by doing a CT scan, which helps us to risk stratify the patients. So we can decide with all this information how we are going to manage the patients. Are we going to manage them in the ICU? Are we managing them in the floor? We are managing in the special rooms, etc. We also have a special unit called high dependency unit, which is intermediate between the floor or the general ward and the ICU. So here the patients are monitored more, but they don't need exquisite care of a ICU. This way the ICU beds are given to more critically ill patients and the resources are managed appropriately. At Horizon Prime, we are very much focused on staff safety and prevention of infection between the patient and the staff. We are using international quality PPEs which are manufactured in India proudly, and also they are very high in quality. In addition to that, we give very prolonged training to the staff before they are brought into the infected areas. This way the rate of infection in the staff is at a very low level. So this way we ensure the staff's safety as well as the patient's safety. So if you have symptoms such as cough, fever, difficulty breathing, chest pain and loss of taste and loss of smell, I think you need to be screened for coronavirus or COVID-19 infection. You may have a mild infection yourself, but somebody close to you can develop a very severe infection. So we need to break this chain. We need to break this transmission. So it is important for you to know that in case you have these symptoms, I think it would be of paramount importance to do a screening test, a coronavirus test or COVID-19 test, and also consider doing a CT scan where we can identify high-risk patients early and start the treatment early. Nowadays we have different medicines, some of them are oral, some of them are IV. So if they are given early, we are seeing that the disease progression is prevented, thus preventing critically ill disease. It can be extremely difficult to take care of corona or COVID-19 patients in the hospital. The main reason is that patients have to be taken care of in a PPE by the caregiver. So the PPEs are very difficult to continue wearing for hours together, and these are the main challenges. Also doing basic procedures on the patient can be very difficult. But even with that, all our nursing staff and the doctors are extremely dedicated and they are doing a wonderful job in delivering health care to our COVID-19 patients. At Horizon Prime Hospital, we are very proud to tell you that we have taken care of more than 500 patients in last 3 to 4 months, and our recovery rate is more than 95%, which is more than the national average, and we are very happy to provide care to further patients who are needing it in the months to come. So few days ago, we had a patient who was critically ill in coma and was unlikely to survive. But with the special injections that are available now to treat COVID-19, there was a good recovery. The patient was taken off the ventilator in few days and had a complete recovery and even was discharged within a week. So we are very glad to tell you that we are seeing very good results of the treatment protocols, especially the protocols that are provided by the National Task Force, etc., in making a difference in outcomes of our patients. So being on front lines, I would like to tell you that we would love to see the transmission rate go down significantly than it is today, and I would urge everybody to maintain social distancing, physical distance of about 2 meters between people, and also good hand hygiene, masking, as well as maintaining as much as possible social isolation, social distancing. This will reduce the transmission significantly and prevent patients going into the ICU.
Horizon Prime fights COVID-19. Right care, right here.